Back in the days of Windows 7 and Windows 8, if we wanted to find our wireless network password, we would typically go to the Manage Wireless Network section, select the specific Wi-Fi name, open it up, and then check the password. However, in the newer versions of Windows, specifically Windows 10 and Windows 11, that feature is no longer available, as Microsoft has decided to remove it from the system. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to find the wireless password on Windows. That is the password of the Wi-Fi network that's saved on your Windows system. All right, let's jump into the system so I can show you. So, the first method is this. As you can see, I'm currently connected to a Wi-Fi network here, and I want to view its password. To do that, all I need to do is open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and then open the Control Panel. Inside it, there's an item called Network and Internet. I open that. Then I open Network and Sharing Center, which is also here. On the left side of this page, I see Change Adapter Settings. This means the settings for the system's network adapters, so I open that too. Here, the wireless adapter is listed. I'm not concerned with the other network adapters, just the wireless one. I double-click on the wireless adapter, and in the middle right of the window, I click on Wireless Properties. I go to the second tab, the Security tab, and finally, I click on Show Characters. Now, Windows is showing me the password for this wireless network. So if someone asks me for the Wi-Fi password and I've forgotten it, I can use this method to find it and share it with them. But here, we can only view the password of the wireless network we're currently connected to. If we want to see the password of one of the Wi-Fi profiles that we're not connected to at the moment, what should we do then? In that case, we need to use a tool that's available in the Windows command prompt. Let's go into the system so we can check this using that method. All right, I closed the windows that were open. We don't need them. We want to find the saved Wi-Fi password of a network that this laptop was previously connected to but isn't connected to right now. To do this, we need a tool called netsh. It's a command line tool in Windows command prompt, so let's open it. Before we move forward, look, I could just go ahead and type the final command directly, but it's really important that you understand exactly what you're doing and what this is all about. Maybe in a couple of days, you'll forget the entire command, but if you understand the process, you'll always be able to find your way on your own. So this is how we're going to proceed. All I need to do is type netsh in the prompt. You see here that my CMD prompt has changed, and now it says netsh. At this point, we don't know what to do, what command to enter, and that's totally okay. Anytime you're in Windows Terminal and you're unsure for next step, when all you need to do is type a /, then a question mark or help, and that section's help will be displayed for us. Since we're working with wireless networks and want to view the saved passwords of wireless profiles, we'll be using wlan. You can see here it shows that. So I just type wlan, hit enter, and now the netsh prompt has changed again. Alright, so what's the next step? Assume I don't know. So I'll ask for help again. Here it's showing that I have a few options to choose from. I want something to be displayed for me. So that's my next choice. I type show and press enter. When I typed show, it shows that the command I entered wasn't complete. I need to provide more detailed information. So the next command isn't just show. Take a look. There are a lot of options here. I want to see the wireless profiles too, so I type again. I press the up arrow key to load my previous command and type show profiles. I hit enter, and now I can see all the profiles that have been saved on this system. Let's say I want to find the password for one of these Wi-Fi networks. What should I do? I press the up arrow key again, add a space, a /, and a question mark. It automatically gives me suggestions, showing me what to do next. If I want to see the details of a specific profile, I need to type name equals the name of the wireless network, written between 2 quotation marks. Then run the command again. So I press the up arrow key, type name equals, open quote, enter the Wi-Fi name, and close quote, then hit enter. Now I can see all the saved information related to this profile right in front of me. The security key section is important here, this part that I'm highlighting. Look, the last item is the security key, which means the wireless password. But we can't see anything. Windows is just showing that it's present. To view it clearly in plain text, all we need to do is add a space and type key equals clear. It's being displayed to us again. You can see that in the security key section, the last item is key content, which is the saved wireless password. Great, that's it. We're done now. We were able to find the wireless password. But let's do this with one command in CMD. So I exit netsh by typing exit. You see that I'm back at Windows Terminal? That is, the CMD prompt is open in front of me. This time I'll type the entire command in one together. netsh wlan show profiles name equals the name of the wireless network and key equals clear. That's how I type it. You'll see that the exact same result appears whenever you need a Wi-Fi password. Whether you've forgotten it or it's saved on your system and you don't know what it is, you'll be able to retrieve it. If you like this type of tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you're interested, make sure to check out these 2 videos that you can see on the screen right now. Thanks so much, and until the next video, bye.